Hello, everyone. We are back with another workshop, and today we will be talking about self-care and creating a healthy routine. So, self-care and its importance. Why is self-care important? Well, self-care is taking care of yourself so that you can not only be the best for yourself, but for others. This includes taking various actions in order to improve your physical, emotional, and mental health. So, why is it important to practice daily self-care? Daily self-care allows you to know your worth. It is important to maintain a healthy relationship with yourself. This produces positive feelings and boosts your confidence and self-esteem, as well as helps and aid various health problems such as anxiety, depression, insomnia, and heart disease. Self-care can be so simple but has such a large impact and make a huge difference in your everyday life. So, here are some ways to implement self-care into your everyday life. One of them can be drinking some water first thing in the morning. It's good to hydrate yourself and start your day on a good note. Have you ever woken up and you had a nice cold glass of water? It's so refreshing, and I promise you it will also wake you up. One thing I also like to do, I should have included it in this, but first thing in the morning, just wash your face with some nice cold water. It's a instant wake up. Oops, go back one. Every day, write down 5 things that didn't completely suck. I know a lot of times, even I get into the habit of doing this, but it's so easy to complain about things that went wrong. Oh, I'm having such a bad day. This morning sucked. Or, things of that such. But get into the habit of focusing on the positive things, the good things that happened. Also, meal prep and have a healthy menu. Make a healthy menu for the week. When you eat better, you feel better. So take the time out to meal prep. Um, Life easily gets in the way, and you may plan on cooking that night, but say something happens, or you go to the gym and you come back home and you're tired. Meal prepping in the beginning of the week helps eliminate, you know, any clashes within your diet. So by setting aside new healthy meals that you want to try out, this will ensure that you eat healthy throughout the week. Not only that, but take a new route to work. A change in scenery can help shake up your everyday routine. Um, and this is one of my favorites, but put on your favorite tunes and have a mini dance party. I tend to do this every day after work, or just when I have some downtime at home and I want to relax. My room is my safe place. So listening to my favorite songs and just, having a mini concert or a mini dance party really makes the difference. It's an instant, mood booster. And if you need a break from work or, completing a task, this is a great way to, just have a little time to yourself, a time to relax. Not only that, but move for at least 30 minutes a day. A quick workout or a lunchtime stroll can make all the difference for mental and physical health. So you don't have to work out for, an hour or 2 hours. Simply working out or moving for 30 minutes a day is enough. Doing that consistently will, you know, make a huge impact and change in your mood as well as your physical and mental health, like we stated. Not only that, but make sure you get enough sleep, about 7 hours. Um, a lot of the times, with our busy schedules, we don't get enough sleep throughout the night. But when you do, I promise you it helps give you a clearer mind. You won't feel as sluggish. It helps improve your skin, just your overall health. You definitely do need enough sleep. And start your day with something pleasant. So I stated before that drinking water in the morning is good, but you can even, start your day off with a cup of coffee, prayer, reading a book, listening to music, anything that just puts you in a good state of mind and, puts you in a good mood will help. Not only that, but do volunteer work a few hours a month. Not only is giving back good for the soul, but it also helps build community morale. So make sure that it doesn't even have to be a lot of hours or something consistent, but take the time out to, just give back to your community. This can be volunteering at a, a food bank or a food pantry. This can be volunteering at an animal shelter, anything of that sort. And there's a whole bunch of volunteering opportunities if you just look online and find anything locally. And this is one thing that I aim to practice, but detox from technology and work. It's always good to take a step back from overindulgence in social media and work tasks. Give your mind a break. It's easy to get, indulged in social media. Everything is just so accessible in the palm of our hands, and our phones, our laptops, our computers. But take the time out to just, not be so active don't overindulge yourself in that, because it can become very draining. And when you think about it, we invest so much time in social media, and that time can be spent, towards something else. It can be spent towards being more productive. Not only that, but plan a workout or dinner date with friends. And lastly, take time to just be. It is okay to turn off your TV, turn off your phone, put your laptop aside and just relax. Go outside and get some fresh air. Sit on your front porch, sit in your backyard, go for a walk. Just be in silence. Sometimes that's what we need, to just give ourselves just an ultimate break from, work, from tasks that we have to complete, from interacting with other people, because it can become exhausting constantly having to interact with others. But just taking time out of the day to just sit in silence and let your mind just rest is very essential. So always remember, daily self-care doesn't have to take up a large portion of time. Don't look at it as a chore, but more so as a treat, because it is. You are your best self. You are your only self. So make sure that you invest into yourself, because it's a necessity. Don't look at it as being a chore, something you have to do. Well, it is something that you have to do, but don't look at it as a burden. Look at it as treating yourself. And don't be afraid to get creative. Try new things and have fun with it. Self-care should be something that you look forward to doing. So if you see something online, something that you want to just try it out and invest into yourself. So that's the end of our presentation. I hope that you all found this helpful, useful, and implement some of these implement some of these self-care treats into your own daily routine. And like I said, it doesn't have to be anything large or something that takes up a lot of time. It's the simple things that really make a huge difference. So please stick around for our next workshops, and I hope you all have a good one. Bye.